Welcome back to Lesson Plant Kitchen. I'm Grant and I cook plants. I'm an educator and a vegan, and today we're going to learn how to make seitan, or wheat meat. To make our basic seitan recipe, based off of the Bob's Red Mills recipe, you're going to need 210 grams vital wheat gluten flour, a third cup nutritional yeast, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon molasses, an optional teaspoon of tahini, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1.5 cups of vegetable stock. Start by adding all of the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Add all of your wet ingredients to the dry and mix it until it is a spongy, meat-like consistency. Drop your seitan dough onto a sheet of aluminum foil and tie it into a knot or roll it into a log. Then, with the aluminum foil, wrap it up nice and tight before putting it into the steaming part of a pot of boiling water for 85 minutes. Be sure to let it sit for at least 30 minutes before serving. To make pork-inspired seitan, use 210 grams vital wheat gluten flour, a third cup nutritional yeast, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon pork rub seasoning, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon liquid smoke, 1 teaspoon tahini, 1.5 tablespoons olive oil, and 1.5 cups vegetable stock. Once more, combine the dry ingredients in a beautiful bowl and give it a mix. This time around, I combined all of the wet ingredients before adding. This was a double batch for some meal prep, and here you can really see the meaty texture. It was a little bit harder to work with, but the end result was just as tasty. Once more, you'll put it on the aluminum foil. Do your best to wrangle it and get it contained within a wrap. Bake as before, and then you are ready to serve it. What's the best way to serve seitan? Well, pretty much any way you can eat meat. You can slice it for lunch meat. You can cube it for stir fries. And you can shred it. Thanks for watching. For official recipe and nutrition content, go to lessonplantkitchen.com and enjoy more on YouTube.